dear guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, areas, and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1 displayed details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. If we talk about amenities of this property, the property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For please check it in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem, we have this property. Watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.